Well, it's time to do another drawing for our pro membership sweepstakes. We're going to be giving away a Browning X-Bolt. It's an awesome lightweight gun. It's chambered in 270, and it's going to get it done this year for your deer hunt. We're also going to be giving away a Geiger rig pack and a Stealth Cam P18. Okay, well, I guess let's see who wins. Go from the bottom, make sure it's really mixed up. And from the very, very bottom. And we've got Charlie Lone from Lakewood, Colorado. Congratulations to Charlie. It's an awesome gun. We'll be sure to get that out to you. Now it's time for the Geiger rig pack. We've got Doyle Sears from Preston, Idaho. Good job, Doyle. And now for the Stealth Cam. For the Stealth Cam, we've got Charles Sontag from Vicksburg, Mississippi. Well, congratulations to everyone who won this week. We're gonna have another great drawing. It's for a black bear hunt with Itchy Mountain Outfitters. They're a great outfit. It's gonna be a real good time. You wanna be part of that one. So if you're not signed up, sign up today.